Good morning to all. This is Steve from Aston Rosa from SNS College of Pharmacy. From today we will discuss about the topic of gluconeogenesis. Okay. First of all, gluconeogenesis means the gluconeogenesis is a form or formation of glucose or glycogen. Okay. And the glucose or glycogen is a main role for it is a polysaccharide compound. It is one of the polysaccharide compounds. Where it is stored means it is stored in the liver. Okay, where it is stored means it is stored in the liver from the non-carbohydrate precursors. Okay, non-carbohydrate in the study of non-carbohydrate precursors means non-carbohydrate like lactates. Okay, lactate, amino acids. These are the extras. These are the where present in the non-carbohydrate segments. Okay, hence it is known as a gluconeogenesis. Hence it is known as a gluconeogenesis. Okay, simply we call it as a the glucose or glycogens from the non-carbohydrate precursors. Okay, from the non-carbohydrate precursors is known as a gluconeogenesis. Okay, so this is a simple definition. Okay, next we are going to see about importance. Okay, what are the importance are present in the gluconeogenesis? Okay, from the importance of first we see about the maintain the blood glucose levels. Okay, maintain the blood glucose concentrations are during the fasting times. Okay, during the fasting time means the normal during the fasting days between the 70 to 100 mg per dm. Okay, this is a time for 70 to 100 mg per dm and during a fasting times. Okay, this is the first one. Maintain blood glucose concentrations level during the fasting times. So between the range of 70 to 100 mg per dm. Okay, next maintain adequate concentrations intermediate from citric acid cycles. Okay, maintain an adequate balance of citric acid cycles. Okay, we all know citric acid cycle is also known as Krebs cycles or otherwise known as tricarboxylic acids. Okay, there is a second one. Next one see about clear the product of metabolism. Okay, clear the product of metabolism from the and other tissues from the blood. Okay, metabolisms of other tissues from the blood. Okay, clear the metabolisms or clear the product of metabolisms and of other tissues from the blood. Okay, for example, lactate. For example, means it's a lactate. For example, lactate is an example for this one. Okay, product of metabolisms other tissues from the blood. Okay, lactate means it's a so lactate is which where it is stored means lactate is stored in it is one of the part where stored in the glycogen. So it is one of the part where is stored in the glycogen. Okay, or otherwise it is a lactate is one of the byproduct of metabolism. It is one of the byproduct of metabolism. It is from the body of metabolism. Okay, it is known as a lactic acid. Okay, it is otherwise known as a lactic acid. It is a byproduct metabolisms and it is from the body metabolisms. Okay, it is known as a lactic acid. Okay, this is a lactate. Next is where stored means it is stored in the liver regions. It is stored in the liver cycles, liver regions. Okay. Next, the human brain requires at 120 gram per on glucose per day. Okay, per day. The glucose level from the body, from the human body means 120 gram per glucose on day. Okay, this is one of the segments where in the human brain taking time. Next, site. Where the site and the gluconeogenesis were at. Okay, where the site means the gluconeogenesis act means is the gluconeogenesis mainly occurs in the region of liver. Okay, it is mainly occurs in the region of liver. The gluconeogenesis where it is site in the where react or the site of process. Okay, site of process means it is one of the gluconeogenesis are the substance where mainly occurs in the region of liver. Okay, liver. The role of liver means we all know the role of liver means it is one of the it produces bile acids. Okay, the role of bile acids in the liver. Role of liver means it produces bile acids. Okay, it produces bile acids and easily digested. And they produce bile acids and easily digested and they remove excess of fat or waste from the body. Okay, it is known as the liver. Okay, simply known as it is one of the bile acids. It produces the bile acids. Okay, and next is about the mitochondria and cytoplasms. Okay, next is about the mitochondria and cytoplasms. Okay, from the next is about mitochondria and cytoplasm. These are the cell regions. Okay, these are the cell regions based on the concept of gluconeogenesis. Okay, in the cell regions, mitochondria and the cytoplasms, the two cells are present in the gluconeogenesis. Okay. the mitochondria. This is a part of mitochondria and the cytoplasms. This is a part of gluconeogenesis. Okay, that's all about the study of gluconeogenesis. Okay, thank you.